from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro-dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Emily in our trading room.
The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
Russia has begun diesel exports to Sudan as Moscow seeks new markets for its refined products after an EU embargo. Since the full EU embargo on Russian oil product imports was imposed in February 2023, diesel supplies have been diverted to Brazil, Turkey, countries in Africa, Asia and the Middle East. US stocks closed higher, with tech-related momentum stocks leading the charge, as fresh economic data rekindled hopes that inflation remains in a cooling trend. Investors now switch their focus to first quarter earnings season. Ether had been rallying since the beginning of the new year, but began tapering off in mid-March. The altcoin has trailed Bitcoin since January the 1st, gaining roughly 48%, compared to BTC's 57% in their respective US dollar pairs year to date.
Thank you. And now, moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The UK's industrial production will be released at 0600 GMT, Japan's capacity utilisation at 0430 GMT, Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices at 0600 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 0600 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.